Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have learned so many things from the new initiative of KodeKloud platform. They have launched 100 days of DevOps challenge and 100 days of cloud challenge. I take both challenges then. On the first day, I have learned many things from their initiatives. In cloud segment, I have worked with Microsoft Azure Cloud and AWS Cloud. In both clouds, I have the same work, worked on the same work. The task is a scenario-based question that the gist of the question is a company want to move their whole system to a platform from their local system or local cloud, local storage. So moving to the cloud, they need to first of all move if they can move their whole system or they can move by the granular way one by one systematically. By granular way, it is very good decision to move because they can move by granular way. First of all, they can move their front end, then back end with API systems and other things. By this way, the the chance of system can be down is very less. So that is the why they have to move in the cloud. In cloud, there are many segments of cloud from the providers. For moving the cloud, first of all, have a region and VPC, and then private subnet with EC2 instance. These EC2 instance work with like like an example I am talking to you that suppose you want to go your room in your apartment. First of all, you have to sign in your apartment, then you can go your room and your room may be locked and you can open your lock by a key, and this key is your private key and the room is locked and the locked way is your public key, and anyone can see your lock but they cannot open the door by only your private key or secret key. You can open the door. Now you can ask the question that why I need this layer of security. This layer of security you need because of you have chosen Amazon EC2 architecture that the feature is that giving to their customers is this is their customer responsibility and compute storage database network and then hardware AWS global infrastructure is the AWS responsibility and others are your responsibility. Client side data encryption integrity, server side data encryption, network traffic protection, operating system network firewall configuration, platform application management, customer data, everything is the customer responsibility. And the side of this infrastructure service, you can see container services. Here, the thing is other structure and many services also in other AWS, MS, etc. That is the thing. So now you have to open EC2 instance, and after opening the EC2 instance, you have to go to the key pairs. So making your keys. Here you are seeing that I have made a key by creating key pair. Suppose the name is Alaska, and then I am creating a key pair, and then alaska.send is that, and I can open the Visual Studio Code, and after that you are seeing the private key. This is the private key. Okay, that's the private key. There is the thing, and then in the terminal or the playground of KodeKloud platform, I have searched for my keys that I have opened, and then they are showing the key pair ID, the key type, the create time, and everything on the US East server. For the checking the latest one I have created, that was also, and then you can see the key pair ID, the key type, create time, fingerprints, and everything. There is the whole thing. And in DevOps challenge, I have solved a real life problem that was on Linux user setup with non-interactive shell. What is non-interactive shell? Non-interactive shell is you can see through your terminal, but you cannot you cannot yourself make the root of the system. You only can see or like view, but cannot take the administration of the system. In the question of the KodeKloud playground, they give a host name, server name with the password, and I have logged in by SSH with server IP of the user and server name. And after login, I have run the following command to create user with non-interactive shell. After that, I have verified the result by giving the prompt that accept the password, and it results like this with the owner of the system name I had declared before, and after that I have trying to log in with sudo as username that will show the account is currently available. Not available, that means you are not the owner of the system. There is the whole thing I have covered in my DevOps 100 days of DevOps challenge challenges first day. There's the thing. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Goodbye.